Programming a key fob for your 1996-1999 Chevy Astro is a simple DIY process. First, ensure your vehicle is unlocked with the driver's door open. Insert the key into the ignition but do not start the engine. Cycle the ignition from off to on, accessory mode, 3 times rapidly within 10 seconds. On the 4th turn to on, leave it on. The doors should automatically lock and unlock if the system responds correctly. Immediately press and hold the lock button on your key fob for 10 to 15 seconds until the doors cycle again, indicating successful pairing. Repeat this process for up to 4 key fobs within 30 seconds. Turn the ignition off to exit programming mode. If it doesn't work, ensure the battery in your key fob is new. CR2032 lithium batteries typically last 1 to 2 years. And try again, performing the steps accurately and quickly. If you're having trouble with your key fob programming, consider these common issues. A faulty body control module could be the culprit, especially in high-mileage vans. Check for corrosion. If your Astro has an aftermarket alarm, it might conflict with the programming. For added security, older RKE systems lack encryption and are vulnerable to relay attacks. Consider upgrading to aftermarket fobs with rolling codes. Genuine GM fobs are pricier and harder to find. Universal key fob programmers can simplify the process. Programming relies on the BCM's memory, so precise ignition cycling is key. If problems persist, consult a professional mechanic, especially for BCM replacements.